There are a series of set interaction methods that Python provides. There are methods for union, methods for intersection, methods for difference to find difference between two sets, sets and an iterable, and also for membership or availability of one set in another, majorly checking out subsets. Let's look at set unions. Using these two sets, there's a list of stuff for women, clothing for women, and clothing for men. A union is a combination of what is in women and men together. So I can put all clothes and say women, the union, men. So it's going to add what is in women and what is men is in men together, and it's going to put it in all clothes. So let's print out all clothes. And as you can see here, this is a combination of all the items in the woman set and all the items in the men set. Let's look at intersection. Intersection is the items that is in both sets. Let's declare a variable similar and put in woman dot intersection men. What this does is that it picks out the items that are in women and all the items in the men set. And so if we print out similar now, it's going to have just those two items. Let me comment print. So you can see right here we have socks and shoes. These are the only items that exist in both men and women. Shoes and also socks. So the intersection method returns the similarity between the two sets. There is another intersection method which is intersection update. What the intersection update does is it puts all the items in men into women, the intersection of the two items. Okay, intersection update. It's going to put the similarity into women. It's going to overwrite the content of women with the similarity. So right now, if we print, let's say before, if I print woman now, that's before the intersection. Let me comment out similarities. If I print women, it's going to print all the items in women. But after the intersection, if I print woman set, is only going to show the intersection of the items in men and women. So if you use intersection update, it's going to update the women value. It's going to override it with the intersection. Let's take a look at the difference method. So I'm going to say difference equals to woman dot difference men. I'm storing that in the variable difference. So as you can see right here, what this does is it returns the items that are in women that is not in men. So the difference between the items. So if I print out difference now, let me comment out these codes. The difference will print out skirt, bag, necklace, and blouse. These are the items that is in women that is not in men. You can see items like shoe that are similar items and socks are not part of the outputs. We also have difference updates. So I can say women the difference update men. What this does is that it puts the result of the difference in women. Unlike the difference method, the difference method returns the difference in a variable. You can put it in a variable, you can print it out directly, but the difference update will update the output with the content that is in women. So we can print out women here for you to see the content of women. Let me comment this out. This is the content of women, and after I'm going to print out women again. After the update, you'll see that it has removed socks and shoe, because this is the items that are in women that is not existing in men.